Welcome, here I've got Nokia XR20 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner button to open the advanced camera settings. Now we have to focus on general category. At the third position we have here location tag option with short info from the device that is save photo location information. By using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. So let me keep it turned on. And here also the important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our picture, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So these two parameters are important, the internet and the location. Now let me keep them also turned on. Let's move back to the camera to take a picture. To see it we have to go to right, to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is our picture. To check its location we have to simply slide a little bit down, and as you can see here we get access to the map with full address. So greetings from Kraków, Poland. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.